He's about to send a shock to your system. Black lightning is here. We're married to the real, reacting is crystal clear. It's about to be hype. Hell yeah!
What's going on, Realist? It's Trey.
And it's Tasha.
Man to the Real, where we keep it real. Black Lightning, Season 3, Episode 5.
The Book of Occupation, Chapter 5. Shenanigans. They took a week break, so we back to see what happens from here. Still a little aggravated about Lynn's situation. So I don't know when they gonna find all that out, but we're gonna get into it. Don't forget our full reactions on Patreon.
Yeah.
Requiem for Tabor.
I can see the constellations from here, Dad. They just like you said they'd be. Hey, Mom. Look, don't worry. I'm okay. But if it wasn't for Blackbird saving me when somebody at school lied about me being I think the only way to save Freeland is if humans and metas work together side by side to stop the ASA. Maybe then I can come home. Look, I love y'all both.
One little light on them at school. He gonna figure out that that's a mission.
Oh! Bow! One more time.
I mean, what's knowledge without a little culture, am I right? Oh, that's right. My venom coursing through your veins right now must make it difficult for you to think.
Vigilante, known as Blackbird, has become a high-value target. This is a problem that requires your attention.
Put Khalil against
She looked healthy right here, but I don't know.
I know, right? Man, what the?
Did she just? Did she?
Oh, she was dreaming.
Look, I love you, but it's way too early for a history lesson, okay? And I don't feel good, so I'm just gonna take a sick day.
You going to school?
What?
Typical parent shit. You don't feel sick. Take your ass to school.
She looked damn diseased.
Any human host will suffice.
Well, that's where it gets strange. According to the ASA database, only one patient survived taking the serum. Patient 49.
Who was patient 49?
No information
Tobias.
has come to light, and
Tobias.
the vigilante known as Blackbird is not wanted in connection with the recent
So they
assault
gotta get
on
it from
police
him.
headquarters, as well as
Oh,
the
he back.
abduction of several prisoners, including that of a minor.
Oh,
Oh, I saw that. What you want me to say about it?
No, sorry.
50K. More like 30 silver pieces to me. You ought to be ashamed of yourself, son. Lord have mercy.
I know he feel like shit.
Nissa, fairest of them all. Shall I permit entry?
Oh, Nissa, who?
Yes, Shonda, thank you.
It is my pleasure to serve you.
Hey.
Can't be. Lord Raiden.
I should have checked for food allergies. I'm sorry. All right, well, I hope that there is no objection to fettuccine Alfredo.
Delicious. Oh.
Patient 49, as requested.
Oh, look at him.
He look like shit.
He look like he done died 2 times over.
right, everybody, listen up. In 60 seconds, the ASA rolls in here. They will be verifying your registration cards. If you do not possess one, you will be taking a ride downtown.
That old man finished his drink like, I don't care.
Have a nice day.
Why you hounding me anyway? Hey, I did miss.
You under arrest for assaulting a police officer.
Really?
And for the possession of stolen goods. You had the right to remain silent. Yeah. Anything you say can and will be held against you in the court of law.
More mouths to feed?
You live on a farm. Here.
We don't need any more of your money.
An epidemic has swept through Freeland. Virus targets Meta specifically. You heard of Ebola? This is more lethal and contagious.
We're isolated, we're safe.
I love watching you work. Tell me.
I'm gonna
How
tell you
many
like
of
this,
those
you better
podcasts
watch
did
your
you
eyes.
kill?
I
10
poke them motherfuckers
or
out.
12?
Don't be watching.
14 children died in my care.
Broke me up inside watching. I was rooting for you. You do understand. I have a thing for the underdog.
Shut your ass
And
up.
the way you handled yourself with Dr. Jace. Whew, float like a butterfly, sting like a queen bee.
You really think this gonna be the end?
This is not finna go over well with Jill.
Look how he laughing, bro. And she gonna hesitate because of who this is.
What, you knew?
She can't recognize it.
ASA.
With them shades on, bro.
Run!
Don't let him touch you with them fingers.
It hurts. Don't talk. Don't talk.
See?
Okay? Shallow breaths. Okay. I'm gonna get you home, I promise.
Yeah, to die.
Somebody come in.
Blackbird, where are you?
Meet me in the tunnel. I'm coming in hot.
Is he stuck in the thing?
Dad, hurry. It's bad.
That's bullshit. Of course. Of course.
But they got the antidote at the ASA, but
Like you go boy.
how she get the vaccine though? Like I'm just trying to understand if Lynn made the vaccine and they giving it to people at the ASA, like how she get it?
I don't know.
Hi.
Thank you for seeing me at this late hour, Miss Pierce. I found myself in the area so to speak. I hope I'm not interrupting anything. That really lies.
That's what I'm talking about. Shoot his ass again. Shoot his ass. Put a hot one in him.
Weight and other metrics.
He too goddamn nosy.
Choo-choo. Yeah, I thought that might ring a bell.
Come on.
How you gonna arrest him without proof
You
though?
don't think I'm human trafficking? Huh? I am down here saving these poor souls. These people have rights. Chief Henderson, they have rights.
Reverend Holt, you had a right to remain silent. A right
This what we doing?
that I know.
They trying to make people dislike Henderson because he finna get bodied.
This is true. But after that boy your daughter was dating got his spine ripped out, some new female firecracker type superhero appeared and lit my ass up. With Black Lightning's help, of course. Do you see the pattern?
Only the musings of a lunatic.
Humor me. Answer this lunatic's one question. What's your super suit look like, Dr. Stewart?
Oh.
After I killed Black Lightning and that lying bastard Jefferson Pierce, you and your beautiful daughters will have nothing to fear from me. I always pay my debts.
Damn. Somebody say, I'm gonna kill your husband, but I ain't even gonna touch you, ladies.
But you just gave him his powers back. Like,
I told you, this was a bad idea. Look what you've done.
Tavon, can you hear me?
Black lightning.
No.
Fuck y'all.
Tavon! No. Come on, Tavon, come on.
I hope he's not dead. I don't think he'll find like an antidote.
Tavon.
That's bullshit. Like, why I gotta kill off the good characters?
It's all gonna circle back to some bullshit, and I already know. I feel it in my spirit. It's that goddamn new boy with that curly ass fucking hair coming in to save the fucking day, and then you probably done threw this boy under the bus.
You know what I'm saying? Like, you know what I'm saying? You were on a block, and now you want to come over here fucking up shit.
Because my whole thing is like, when he came to the school, he already said that he had his registration, but he never got in line for it like everybody else. Then he had an interaction with him before they came to get him, and I just feel like that's on him. Then the fact that he trying to look at Jennifer sideways now after the blowout. Bitch, you might be Odell's nephew. I don't trust you. Bruh. Really?
I'm so sorry for your loss.
Are you though? He should have stayed where he was.
What if he got
He should have stayed where he was.
Is the point of all this cloak and dagger if you cannot protect my family? When I am done with Tobias, you make him disappear permanently.
Very well.
Keep me apprised.
He can't do that, or he would already got rid of his ass. I feel like he needs something from him. He's not gonna let him go if that's the only person that took the serum and you can get that shit from. Bitch, get your ass back. Oh no. See, this kind of shit, I can't be no superhero, bitch. I don't get no fuck who know if I'm Black Light now. I would have zapped all them bitches. He a meta. He just absorbed her fucking energy, bruh. Just like Jeff can. Who is that? Y'all really gonna sit up here and let these folks beat on him like that in front of these kids? I'm fucking tired, bruh.
Hey Houston, I'm Jesse.
Girl, get your ass out the car.
Who is this boy? Cause one, he better not be static. And two, who you affiliated with that you snuck into school with powers that ain't nobody know?
Who the hell are you supposed to be?
So she finna kill them?
So you've been leading the insurgents this whole time? I'm just a man trying to do what's right.
Oh, wow. Wow. Now that I did not see coming. Fucking Chief Henderson, bitch. That came in clutch. Bro, I never thought that he was doing this shit the whole time behind the scenes.
Look, dude all with it like, oh shit.
He gonna die too probably though.
Hey, this is Cole Sprouse.
Odell, you old bitch. That's your last suit that you gonna ever wear, bitch. That's gonna be your goddamn casket sharp ass suit with that hat. They to bury your ass just like that. I'm tired of this old ass man.
Henderson. Oh man, I
was hurt because I'm like, why are you arresting these people? Look, I'm over here in my cracking voice. Why are you doing this?
Right.
Oh my God, he played that shit so smooth. I ain't see that.
And like that takes a lot of resolve on his part to be taking all that from one angle, and then on this angle,
you the one who doing all the shit.
Yeah, like, hey, I give it to Henderson.
I knew that boy was gonna die when he made that video though at the beginning. I ain't want to assume that. But I'm like, he made that video talking about how people need to come together. They gonna show that because that's like his dying wish is that metals and humans come together.
Episode, like, the Henderson thing was a big shock. That was a big shock to me. I'm real.
Tavon had to die though, bro.
Yeah, man.
And I don't understand what kind of powers this new boy got. For him to be able to absorb that energy from Jen, he have to be like in that whole electric family like Jeff and them or something. Cause Can't nobody else do that. I need answers.
What was his name?
His name is Brandon on the show. That don't mean that's his real name. Because you transfer from another school and then you got your little not a meta card or whatever. Like, somebody could have snuck him in, but, like, who did that? Like, who is he? Because I'm like, the whole city is under quarantine. How you just transfer schools and do all this shit in the midst of all these? Like, who really was trying to come over here doing all this? And another thing, how the hell Anissa ain't recognized Khalil just because he had shades on? I'm sick of that secret identity shit. Glasses do not change your life. Like, that is not what's happening right now. If y'all see me on the street without my glasses, y'all better still know who the fuck I am because I'm tired. I'm like, how you not recognize that was Khalil?
I mean, Superman got away with it for decades.
And my whole thing is Anissa still poisoned? Is it just because you know how she do her little breathing techniques? Is it like working slower on her than it did on the boy?
That's possible.
But I knew that video and then them saying sneak him out, that shit wasn't going on.
So, yeah, look, we're going to get ready to get out of here.
I got one more question. Are they going to give Lynn superpowers or no? Because, like, for him to ask what's her super suit, though. Just saying, are they trying to tease that? I mean, she could be super smart. That could be her ability. She over here taking them green light jellies. So, but anyway.
Full reactions on Patreon. Look, we finna get up out of here. Y'all stay up, stay real. It's Trey.
And it's Tasha.
Man to the real. Y'all stay real.
You already watched, so you might as well subscribe. Please.